Machine shop today and made the inserts for the rod ends on the lower A-arms here. And they are going to go inside of here. They don't quite fit yet because there's a seam on the pipe on all of them. So just going to take the die grinder there, clean those up, fit them in there, weld them, and then I'll be able to thread in the rod ends here. I got both of them. The rod ends hammered in here and cleaned up. And now I just gotta lay a weld around there and clean them up with the grinder. And then usually after I'm done, I just run the tap through them again before I thread my rod ends in, because they're usually a little stiff from hammering them in and whatnot. You mar it up quite a bit. But yeah, I got both of those in. And now I'm just about to start machining the rod end spacers for those links, just like the rear end, but they're quite a bit more trickier. I gotta do them in one piece, and they've got to be tapered with a radius on them, so that way the spacer clears the rod end and you have full travel in your steering, right? It's hard to explain, but you'll see it when it goes together. And in order to do that, I've never done a radius on a lathe. This is my first time, so I made these tools here today, and those are cut perfectly to the radius that I need. Clean them up so they cut nice, and then this is the outer radius there. So I made two tools for that, and hopefully it goes alright. I'm just gonna start machining those now. The front end mount points put on here for the front A-arms. I got the upper A-arms finally. These, yeah, I could have built them if I would have put a little more effort into it, probably filled them with sand, started doing more experimenting, but I just had enough messing around kinking pipe, so because my bender's real cheap, so it won't bend pipe like this. But this is what I got from Tony at the Edge products, which is real nice. Well built. So now I've got the Delrin ready to go. I'm going to start machining the bushings for these and mount these up, which is wicked. Put some upper A-arms. There's a little bit of quite a bit of measuring to get these done and put on here. I probably spent the whole afternoon. I should have videotaped some more, but it's real important that your A-arms are parallel to each other. It's one important thing, and that you've got some nice caster on the back here. It's got to be set back a little bit. But yeah, everything's looking good. Got done one of the sets of bushings here from one side. Looks awesome. And I'm almost done the ones for the other side here. They're real close. One more cut on those. So I'll probably, I'm tempted to finish these tonight, but we'll see what happens.